viewers, welcome to civil engineering classes. Today's topic is position of electrical points. Now at your construction site or even at your house, you must have seen there are various electrical points are provided. And these different types of points are provided at a different heights. Now these points could be light point or fan point, then switchboard point, then DB point. Now it is very important to know at what height these points are provided because there is a standard height recommended for these points. In this today's tutorial we are going to discuss about these heights. So first I draw elevation of a wall here to show the heights. Now this is your wall, this will be your slab and this will be your beam. Now whatever height I am going to tell you, that will be from the finished floor level. Now suppose this is your plinth, this is your plinth. Above this there will be tiling. Now this level is called the finished floor level. The level above the tiling is called the finished floor level. Now whatever height I am going to tell you, that will be from this finished floor level. First point we are going to take, that is angle holder. Angle holder is the point where wall lights are provided, and it is provided, this angle holder is provided at the height of 2.25 meter. It is provided at 2.25 meter, that is 7 feet 6 inch. Now suppose this is your angle holder, it is provided somewhere here. This is your angle holder. Then the height will be from this finished floor level, it will be 2.25 meter to this bottom of this angle holder. So you just remember this. These heights are from the finished floor level to the bottom of these points. Then next point is fan point. Fan point is taken at the center of this ceiling. Now suppose this is your ceiling. This is your ceiling. You can take the diagonals from these corners and this center point you can take it as fan point. This will be your fan point. Then third one will take switchboard. Switchboard is provided at the height of 1.35 meter. 1.35 meter, that is 4 feet 6 inch. Now this is your door. Suppose this is your door. Then here will be your switchboard. This will be your switchboard. This height from this bottom of this switchboard is 1.35 meter to this finished floor level. Then fourth one is the bell push. Bell push is also provided. I will show it here. This bell push is also provided at the same height, that is 1.35 meter. So the bell push is also provided at 1.35 meter, that is 4 feet 6 inch. Fifth one is the DB, that is your distribution board. Distribution board is provided at the height of 2.4 meter. So it will be somewhere here above this angle holder. This will be your DB, and the height from the bottom of this TB to the finished floor level, it will be 2.4 meter. This will be 2.4 meter, that is 8 feet. Then next is your telephone and TV points. Next is telephone and TV points. Now this telephone and TV points are provided at the height of 60 cm. That is 0.6 meter. It will be somewhere here. This will be your TV and telephone. And this height from the bottom to this floor level, it will be 60 cm. That is 0.6 meter. So this is your 0.6 meter. That is 2 feet. And the power points in the bathroom are provided at the height of 1.5 meter. The power plugs are provided at the height of 1.5 meter. It will be somewhere here. It is 1.5 meter to the bottom from the finished floor level. So these are the heights, standard heights provided for these electrical points. So hope you all have understood this. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel to learn more about the electrical work related to civil engineering. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.